laboratories all over the country.
Jalup gavana Siaya William Oduol oyango ni odhi tiyo kod piny owacho mar Kenya Kwanza kata odoko ni ne oyiere kod otiko mar duond bura mar ODM bwo mabul mar Azimio. Oduol oyango ni chung mare bang' ywaruok kuom thuolo malach kod jatende James Orengo gino mane omiyo odwa teng' lwete mogo dwe mokalo.
I come from a different political formation. I'm an ODM deputy governor that has made the deliberate, and underline the word deliberate, decision to work with the Kenya Kwanza, to work with government. Because we believe for us, ladies and gentlemen, and this involves the gentlemen that are listening to me, for us to transform this region in an accelerated basis, we must work with government. Do we all agree? So me, I'm not defected to Kenya Kwanza. I am an ODM deputy governor for the next 4 years that has decided to work with government.